over the years of writing lots and lots of copy, I have found there are three elements which really make copy convert. And those three elements are what I call wordology. So wordology is my method for incorporating wordsmithing, so really kind of good language, good copywriting principles with science and with psychology. So that's what I call wordology, and it's my own unique method. And I teach wordology to my students, and I always use wordology whenever I'm writing for my clients. So there are three elements to it. The first one is voice of customer research. So this is how we get what's in your client's head onto your page. We do research, we understand what it is that motivates them, what it is that they're finding challenging, the problems, the desires, the objections they have, all the stuff that's going on in their head, we reflect in your words, and that really does help elevate your copy. The second element is sales psychology. How do we know what people are going to do without understanding behavioral psychology, understanding where their mindset is, why they would click a button, why they wouldn't click a button? All that stuff is so important to copywriting, and it's not talked about enough by other copywriters and content writers. So really understanding those basic sales psychology principles have a massive effect on whether copy converts or doesn't convert. The third element is your brand, who you are as a business, as a person, how your mission aligns with the mission of your clients, how you can get people to kind of really feel on board with your brand. And that involves a lot of brand voice, and it involves brand messaging as well. It doesn't mean you have to spend hours really delving into every single aspect of your brand. It can develop over time, but it's really important to have that aspect in, because that's what sets you apart from competitors and also from the kind of AI written content out there. So the three elements to killer copy, or the three elements that I use in my wordology method, are voice of customer research, reflecting on what's in your client's head in your words, sales psychology, so really understanding what makes people do the things they do, and your brand pizzazz. So how can you inject your personality into your copy as well? So once you have those three elements, your copy is going to be elevated way above the rest. So I teach these three elements in my website, Words Academy, so you can write your website using my wordology method. And I also always use wordology whenever I write for my clients, so you can get it that way as well. So those three elements, I think, are the most crucial parts of writing killer copy.